Welcome to Bay Tree Cottage. Today we are delighted to have the fabulous Rashmita in the kitchen from Be Spiced by Rashmita. Bit of a mouthful that. Rashmita today is going to show us how you make a marvellous Moroccan vegetable tagine. This is a fabulous recipe. Over to you, Rashmita. I'm in charge of the camera today. We're keeping our social distancing, but I will ask lots of questions on throughout.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a tagine. If you don't have a tagine, you can use a saucepan or you can use a slow cooker. And for this recipe, you will need a tin of tomatoes, because this is what your vegetables are going to cook in. And then we're going to need some onions there. So they go in. I've got one onion which has been chopped. And one of the main ingredients is the ras hanout, okay, which is a mixture of all different spices. It's got rose petals, saffron, it's got lavender, it's got so many ingredients, and each and every Moroccan household has their own recipe.
And is that easy to get hold of, Rashmita?
Yes, you can buy it from Waitrose, Morrison's, anywhere. The thing is, it's the taste. You might sometimes not like the taste because everybody's got their own recipe. So I've got a tablespoon of this, ras hanout goes in. Then harissa. Harissa, again, is garlic and paprika and a little bit of cumin. So I've got a tablespoon of harissa. You can get different variations of harissa. Sometimes there's harissa with rose essence in it. They'll put lavender, all different things in. Because I want a little bit of deep colour to the tomatoes, I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree to this. And then we've got a little bit of coriander, a handful, and a handful of parsley.
Wow, the flavours just are jumping out of that pan straight away.
And that gets mixed in.
And that's the basic sauce of the whole tagine, is that right?
Yes.
Fantastic, that just looks amazing.
If you were doing this in a tagine, you would layer your vegetables and then you would put a layer of this on top. But because we are doing it in a saucepan, it's so much easier. All you do is put all your vegetables in here. That goes into your saucepan and then you put it on slow simmer until all your vegetables are cooked. So if you've got something like butternut squash and that doesn't take a long time to cook, it'll take only about 20 to 25 minutes. But if you've got, as you're putting some chicken and lamb and that in, take a little bit longer to cook because you've got to slow cook it.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm going to have a little taste to see if my seasoning is okay. Lovely.
Tastes good? Perfect.
I'm going to put my chickpeas in.
Is that 1 tin of chickpeas?
1 tin of chickpeas. I've got 1 courgette.
So if you wanted to vary the vegetables, you can vary according to what you fancy?
Yeah, whatever you've got in your kitchen. And I've got butternut squash.
And make it seasonal as well?
Yes.
So we can raid the vegetable garden and put in whatever we've got growing?
Anything. And I've got some leek. So everything's gone
Wow,
in.
that looks amazing vegetable feast already.
And you will just mix it before you put it in the pan. Just make sure you put it on low simmer because otherwise it'll dry out. And every now and then have a check as well to make sure there is a little bit of liquid from the steam going into your vegetables. If it isn't, you can add a little bit of water.
Right, okay.
So this is ready now.
God, how quick and easy is that?
And I'm going to put it in my pan. And then it's going to go on the hob on low simmer. I'm going to start off with 20 minutes, check that everything is cooked. And if it isn't, I'll leave it in longer. So,
a quick look before it goes in. That just looks amazing and smells fabulous as well. So that's going to go on to a low simmer
One thing I forgot is my dates, and I'm looking for my dates.
Oh, now they were on the kitchen.
They were here.
If you didn't have dates, you can use maybe apricots or something like that as well.
Use apricots, fruits,
Okay.
any dry fruit, raisins. If you don't have any of that, put chuck in some apples. It's just Moroccans love the tagine to be hot, spicy, and a bit sweet as well.
Yeah, I love the idea of apples. That sounds really nice.
So I'm going to put a few dates on top. And that was about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dates. Put the lid on, and that will go on my bowl.
Fabulous. That is amazing. Such a simple recipe and just great for lunches, parties, even like packed lunches as well.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Rashmita. That's amazing.